Hello, sir and madam. Good day. My name is Dolores Pulistikawakan. I am 37 years old. I am married. I have two kids, are age 15 and 10 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. My height is 5 feet. I am a high school graduate. About my work experience, I work in the Philippines as a helper almost 3 years. And also I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper, 2 years and 3 months extension. For being a household domestic helper, I do my duties and my responsibilities, taking care of the children, preparing the foods when going to the school, sending, picking them up of the school, and after that, I will doing the all chores of the household, cooking, marketing, laundry, ironing, organize and cleaning the house. Sometimes the kids are going to the park together with my co-worker. We walking, we playing there together. To my future employer, Madam and Sir, please choose me as a part of your family. I promise you to be a good and honest, hardworking, and responsible helper to serve your family. And I give love and care to your kids like my own kids. And I will give the long patience because I love the children. And that is my part of my main duties and my responsibilities. Thank you, ma'am and sir.